Hello guys, review tablet Lenovo Tab P12. This version 8GB memory and 128GB internal memory, Wi-Fi version. Open box, we have display 12.7 inch and 3K resolution display. Okay. Huge device. And look complementation. In complementation we have Lenovo Pen, Tab Pen Plus, key for SIM slot. We don't have SIM slot, this Wi-Fi version. We have only micro SD card slot. And complementation we have quick charger, adapter with quick charge, and Type-C cable. Okay. Now talk about tablet. On this side we have speakers, very good speakers, slot for micro SD card, power button, upside warm buttons. On this side second speakers, Type-C port, dock station connector on the downside, and turn on device. Very good display. Open settings, look Android version. We have version Lenovo ZUI 15.0.32, Android version 3.10. Dimensity 7050 octa-core processor we have. Close this. Look Antutu benchmark score. Very good score in Antutu benchmark we have. Okay. Close. My script calculator. Okay, close this. And look camera. Only video photo mode and scan, dock scan. We have only 3 modes. Close this. Camera we have 13 megapixels. Battery 10,200 mAh. Very good battery we have in this device. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.